chords and a tired tune. This groove is I'm fully grown. I glow not loud, but I'm rolling through every mode. They try to choke and my song's not yours to rearrange. I glow not loud, but I'm move with my own breath. I show my lips, sun in my chest. Watch me move with my own breath. Oh.
Did you know you could simply chat with an AI and walk away with a complete original song plus a cinematic 4K music video featuring your own consistent digital avatar? No singing, no filming, no complex editing? That's exactly what I did with Tunee.ai and its powerful new Seedance 2.0 integration. In this video, I created a soulful Afrobeats R&B track in the style Ayra Starr. Emotional, rhythmic, with that signature Nigerian warmth and energy. I'm also entering the Flash MV Global Challenge before the deadline on 23rd of April. If you're a Faceless creator like me, stay till the end because this tool could completely change how you add original music and visuals to your content. Hey everyone, welcome back to Savvy AI Studio. Let's get in. Tunee.ai is a conversational AI music agent that lets you generate high-fidelity music and full music videos using simple natural language prompts. You talk to it like you're chatting with a music producer. Describe the genre, mood, vocal style, lyrics theme, and it creates the track. Then, with Seedance 2.0, it turns that music into stunning 4K music videos with consistent digital personas. For faceless channels like mine, this is huge. My avatar becomes the virtual artist without me ever stepping in front of a camera. The things I tested: natural sounding vocals and production, avatar consistency across shots, music video generation synced to the beat and lyrics, and easy iteration through chat. I got pro access as a creator, plus extra credits, so I could fully explore everything. Let's walk through exactly how I created this track and video. Step 1. Getting started. First, sign up for free at Tunee.ai. You get daily free credits right away. If you upgrade to Pro or get creator access like I did, you unlock way more power and higher quality outputs. Step 2. Generating the music. I started a new chat and used this prompt. Create a soulful Afrobeats R&B track in the style of Tems and Ayra Starr. Mid-tempo, emotional lyrics about self-empowerment and rising above challenges. Smooth female vocals with rich ad-libs and emotional depth like Tems, mixed with Ayra Starr's youthful energy and catchy melodies. Warm production with African percussion, soft synths, and modern beats. Tunee generated a full song in minutes. The vocals sounded surprisingly natural, smooth, emotive, with good layering. Then I iterated in chat. Make the chorus more catchy and uplifting. Add more emotional depth to the bridge like Tems. Give the second verse Ayra Starr's confident swagger. After a few refinements, I had a track I was happy with. You can also separate stems if you want to remix later. Alright, so let's get into creating your music video. And trust me, this process is way more fun than it sounds. Let's walk through every step together. There are 2 ways to kick things off. You can tap on a song, hit the 3 dots, and select Make MV. Or you can go directly into the music video interface. Either way works. Once you're in, you'll choose your music, your character, and the type of music video you want to create. Once you're inside the interface, you'll see different video styles to choose from. I'm going with lip sync. It gives the video that real performance feel, and it's honestly my favorite. Selecting lip sync opens a new interface, and this is where the magic begins. Think of this as your music video blueprint. Here you'll set your aspect ratio, choose your video duration, and confirm your creative mode, which in our case is lip sync, so we'll keep that selected. Next, you'll decide between one take or multiple scenes. I always go with multiple scenes. It keeps things dynamic, keeps the viewer engaged, and honestly, it just looks more like a real music video. You can even add more characters at this stage, which is such a great touch. Take a moment here. You are literally designing your own music video. How amazing is that? When you're happy with your settings, tap Next. The app will go ahead and generate your creative script. Once it's ready, read it through carefully. If something doesn't feel right, you can tweak it before moving forward. Don't rush this step. It sets the tone for everything that follows. From there, you move into the visual assets stage. The app generates those for you as well. Review them, make any adjustments you want, and when you're satisfied, move on to the storyboard. And remember, you can go back and make changes at any stage. Nothing is locked in until you say so. Once you've approved your storyboard, it's time to generate your final video. This takes a few minutes, so just be patient. When it's done, long press on the video and hit download. And just like that, your music video is ready.
Okay, I have to be real with you. I thought I was recording this session, but I wasn't. I'm so sorry about that. If you have any questions or need me to walk through anything again, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Oh, and one more thing. I also tried the story music video style and it came out really well. I'll play it at the end of this video so you can see the difference and decide which style works best for you.
Tunee is currently running the Flash MV Global Challenge on their homepage. The deadline is 23rd April 2026. That's only a few days away. If you want to join and create your own music video, use my exclusive referral code in the application form. You'll get 400 extra free credits up front, which gives you a massive head start compared to regular participants. I'll drop the direct link and code in the description. If you enter, comment below. I'd love to see what you create.
So, honest thoughts after testing Tunee.ai and Seedance 2.0. Pros. Super intuitive conversational workflow. No music production skills needed. Excellent avatar consistency for faceless creators. Seedance 2.0 delivers high-quality cinematic music videos. Great for quick Afrobeats or R&B style tracks with emotional depth. Fast iteration and solid beat lyrics. Cons? Credit usage adds up quickly for longer or higher quality videos. Sometimes you need 2 to 3 refinements for perfect vocals or complex scenes. Best results still require good, detailed prompts. Verdict? For creators who want to add original music and professional-looking visuals without a full production team, Tune is a game changer. It's especially powerful combined with tools like Halo or FlexClip. I'm genuinely impressed and plan to use it more in future videos. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest AI tool reviews. What do you think? Would you try Tune for your own content? Drop your thoughts or what genre I should test next in the comments. And don't forget, use code SAVVY for extra credits in the Flash MV Challenge before the 23rd April deadline. All the links, including my affiliate link, are in the description below. I received free pro access for this review and may earn a small commission if you sign up through my link. Thank you for the support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay savvy.